Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we will be seeing 4 designer collection and 4 fancy wear dress materials, price ranging from $799 to $2149. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com. Every day we post new collections at 12 noon. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping all over India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and tracking will be shared to your mail ID and SMS in 2 days after shipping, and delivery will take 3 to 7 working days from the day of shipping depending on your location. There might be slight delay in delivery date due to COVID restrictions. Kindly order accordingly. If you want us to ship your order at a later date, please email us at contact@neidhal.com immediately after placing your order. Viewers, kindly note, there will be a slight variation in the shades of the dress materials due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the product picture posted on our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is Dola silk, very soft and silky fabric in premium quality. All these are antique zari weaving with simple yoke, with sequins and French knot work done, with round neck. Let us see how the set looks. It's an exclusive party wear collection. This dark pink shade. It's kind of pinkish red. You can take a look at the beautiful woven design in antique zari color. So all these are woven in the front side of the top, with simple yoke with Zardosi work, sequins and French knot work done. The round neck. It is plain at the back. Teamed with turquoise green santoon bottom, very soft and silky fabric. Teamed with beautiful Dola silk dupatta in turquoise green. It's a short width dupatta with thread work and sequence work done and tapings on all 4 sides. You can take a closer view. All these are thread and sequence are woven along with the fabric. This is how the set looks. It's a pinkish red with turquoise green combination. The cost of the set is $2149. This is the next color in dark navy blue shade in Dola silk fabric with antique zari woven design with simple yoke with work. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is soft and silky. It needs lining. You can see it's navy blue with all these are zari woven. As you can see, all these are woven. It is plain at the back. It's teamed with mehendi green, soft santoon bottom, teamed with short with Dola silk dupatta in mehendi green color with sequence work and thread work, with tapings on all 4 sides. It's navy blue with mehendi green combination. It's a beautiful combination. Party wear set priced at $2149. Let us see this next designer set. The fabric is slub silk cotton fabric in dark fenugreek yellow. All these are cut bead and small bead work done on yoke. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric needs lining. It's a tone to tone set. So this is how the work looks. We have matching silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with beautiful antique zari woven dupatta, silk cotton dupatta. And the design of the dupatta might vary for each and every set. You can take a look. Antique zari color woven all over. It's a single color concept. The dupatta is with tassels. The cost of the set is $1749. This is the next design in light beige color in silk cotton fabric. All these are varli embroidery done in the front side of the top and with golden piping in the daman. The fabric is lightweight and it needs lining. It's kind of light beige color. with Varli embroidery done all over, and small sequence work is also there. We have pink silk cotton bottom for this set and just plain at the back. In the daman we have zari golden piping. It teamed with beautiful zari woven silk cotton dupatta, Banarasi dupatta with tassels with traditional mango design and zari woven borders on both the sides. The cost of the set is 1299. This is the next design in silk cotton fabric. All these are kanta stitch work done on yoke in pink color thread. The fabric is soft and silky. It needs lining. It is in black color. So the yoke has sequence work and kanta work done. We have peachish pink silk cotton bottom teamed with silk cotton dupatta in peachish pink color with kanta work done in the lower part of the dupatta. All these are kanta work and sequence work done, and dupatta needs tapings, and we also have small thread work done in the middle, thread embroidery work done in the middle. The cost of this set is 1349. We have 4 colors in this. This is the next color in light beige with coffee brown combination. So this is the top. We have silk cotton bottom for this in dark brown shade and silk cotton dupatta with kanta work done, priced at 1349. This is the next color in navy blue with turquoise green combination, and dupatta in silk cotton fabric with kanta work, priced at 1349. This is the next color in maroonish red color with dark mossy green combination. We have silk cotton bottom for this, and this is the dupatta in soft silk cotton fabric with kanta stitch work, priced at 1349. This is the next design. The fabric is viscose silk, very soft and lightweight fabric in beautiful baby pink with floral prints. In the yoke we can see pearl bead work and zardosi work done. The fabric needs lining. It is printed all over in the front as well as at the back. We have dark pink soft cotton bottom for this, teamed with chiffon dupatta, plain chiffon dupatta in pink color with tapings. This is how the set looks. It's a single color concept. The cost of the set is 1199. This is the next set in soft cotton fabric with simple yoke and lace work done. It's printed and small foam mirror work done all over. It's kind of, a dark grayish black, not jet black color. It's printed all over as you can see here. Small foam mirror work done. We have black cotton bottom in soft fabric teamed with soft mal cotton dupatta. And this is the dupatta for this set. Very soft cotton and zari borders on both the sides. This is how the set looks. The cost of the set is 999. This is the second color in mossy green color in soft cotton fabric, teamed with matching cotton bottom, and we have mal cotton dupatta. It's printed dupatta, very soft fabric with zari borders, priced at 999. This is the third color in maroon shade, kind of reddish maroon. We have matching cotton bottom for this set, teamed with soft mull cotton printed dupatta with zari borders, priced at 999. Let us see the next set of summer collection. The fabric is pure cotton. It's with beautiful prints and small foam mirror work done all over, and we have gota tapings in the daman in light yellow shade. All these are pastel colors. This design is going to be in pastel colors. We have 4 colors in this. Apt for summer with beautiful floral prints. We have light yellow soft thin fabric for bottom, teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta. It's a printed dupatta with pom-pom tapings. So this is how the dupatta prints looks, and this is the tapings for this. The cost of this set is 929. We have 4 colors in this, all pastel colors, and this is in light pink shade. Beautiful baby pink bottom for this set, teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta with pom-pom tapings, priced at 929. And this is the next shade in light blue shade. And this is the bottom for this, and dupatta in soft mull cotton, priced at 929. This is the next pastel color. It's light peach color, and this is the bottom, soft cotton bottom, teamed with soft mull cotton dupatta with pom-pom tapings, priced at 929. This is the next set in slub silk cotton fabric with potli buttons on yoke, and all these are thread work and sequence work done in all over the top in light orange shade. Let us see how the top looks. The fabric needs lining. It has all over embroidery in the front side of the top with contrast piping in the daman. It is plain at the back. We have navy blue cotton bottom for this, teamed with soft chiffon dupatta with embroidery work done. The work is matching to that of the top. It has tapings on all 4 sides. The cost of the set is 799. The top color will vary, and the dupatta and the bottom color is navy blue for all the sets in this design. So this is the top in dark pink shade. We have navy blue cotton bottom, teamed with navy blue chiffon dupatta with tapings on all 4 sides and embroidery work done, priced at 799. This is the next shade in blue color, and this is the dupatta. We have navy blue cotton bottom provided inside, priced at 799. So this is the next shade in turquoise green color. Sorry, it's a green color. We have navy blue cotton bottom for this, teamed with soft chiffon dupatta with embroidery work done and tapings on all 4 sides, priced at 799. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day.